In the production process of the corrugated packaging industry, the precision and stability of glue applicators often directly determine the production efficiency and forming quality of cardboard. In this episode, Corrface visits Zhejiang Aishida Color Printing Zeta Packaging Company, Limited. This packaging enterprise specializes in manufacturing and selling various specifications of corrugated cardboard. Currently equipped with 4 cardboard production lines, it has achieved a daily production capacity of 2.5 million square meters and an annual output value reaching 1 billion yuan, demonstrating significant industry influence. In the current industry landscape, compared to new production line projects costing tens of millions, improving efficiency through smart retrofitting of existing lines is undoubtedly more cost-effective, and upgrading glue applicators is a critical part of this process. Within just 1.5 years, Aishida has retrofitted the glue application systems of 3 production lines with an Assidual MGM450 fully servo-driven automatic constant pressure glue applicator. So, what makes this equipment so exceptional? For a long time, China's glue applicators predominantly followed early Taiwanese structural designs. However, as industry standards continue to rise, European-style glue applicator structures have gradually become mainstream. The Assidual MGM450 glue applicator represents a localized innovation based on European structural principles. Its core features include intelligent roller control technology and smart adhesive management systems, enabling automatic recognition of paperboard grammage and flute profile parameters. This allows dynamic adjustment of glue application volume and pressure gap, thereby minimizing re-glue processes and preserving corrugated integrity. After completing the retrofitting, Aishida conducted several months of operational monitoring on the 3 production lines. Starch usage decreased by approximately 15% with significant waste reduction. The production line's web breakage rate notably decreased while daily average speed stabilized at 175 meters/minute, representing a 10% speed increase. Energy consumption dropped by about 15% with reduced load on the temperature control system. Cardboard quality showed clear improvement with more consistent flute height, higher edge crush strength, and better surface smoothness. These results closely match the performance indicators advertised by Assidual, verifying the equipment's stability and consistency in multi-line operating environments. Traditional glue applicators previously required excessive pressure to ensure bonding strength, often resulting in crushed flutes that increased both adhesive consumption and energy waste. The retrofitted Assidual glue applicator now automatically adjusts its height according to substrate characteristics, delivering uniform glue application without flute deformation. This innovation produces visibly improved board rigidity and stiffness. Performance verification confirms excellent flute arch retention across both 3-layer and 5-layer boards, with distinctively sharp flute tips, precise scoring lines, and complete face paper coverage eliminating flute exposure. The most compelling validation of equipment quality never lies in manufacturer claims, but rather in end-user sustained adoption decisions. Among Aishida's 4 corrugated lines, 3 have successively adopted Assidual glue applicators through retrofits. This 1.5-year operational cycle stands as the most direct validation of product performance. In balancing cost and capability, this equipment now delivers results approaching imported starch applicators, undeniably revitalizing legacy production lines with renewed operational vitality.